you are learning Python and machine learning or want to go into data science, AI, then NumPy is the most powerful library for you. So I completed this part already, okay? And start NumPy. And in this video, we will learn what is NumPy, its uses, NumPy arrays and types with basic and simple codes, okay? First, NumPy. NumPy is a Python library that is used for working with large number of data, arrays and mathematical calculations. Okay, and simple line NumPy equal to fast numerical calculation plus array handling library. Okay, and NumPy stand for numerical Python. Okay, why we NumPy? Why use NumPy? Okay, first, fast performance. NumPy is the most powerful and fast library and calculate the large number of data. Okay, and second is efficient memory use. Sorry, spelling is okay, don't worry. Efficient memory uses. Yes, NumPy code is small, so it uses some memory, not much. Okay, and third is mathematical operation. NumPy is directly perform the mathematical operations like sum, array, mean, etc. It is directly performed. Okay, not large number of codes required. Okay, and last is multi-dimensional array. Yes, NumPy is support multi-dimensional array. What is multi-dimensional array? Explain next video. Okay, will we start installation part? Okay, first open command prompt and write pip. Okay, all. Okay, NumPy. This is a command prompt to write. Okay, and enter. And done. Okay, install packages. Okay, successfully. And next, array. Okay, NumPy is a look like a array. Okay, it's like a array type. A NumPy array is a collection. Okay, it is a collection of same type elements, like it is install, connect, contain, store, same data types. Okay, and store together and optimize for fast calculation. Okay, array look like a container to store same data types element. Okay, the mostly important concept is NumPy. Yes, NumPy is a look like an array. Okay, uh, as you can see, we will practical. Okay, we will create first code NumPy. Okay, create array and sorry, first import. Okay, import space as np. Okay, np is a short form of the NumPy. Okay, and create simple np dot array. Okay, this is a function. Okay, np dot array, this is a function to create array. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Array and run. space as np. Okay, np is a short form of the numpy. Okay, and create simple np dot array. Okay, this is a function. Okay, np dot array, this is a function to create array. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Array and run. Okay, sorry, sorry. Okay, this name create properly and check. This is our result. Okay, next, basic numpy array operation. Okay, we'll perform specific and array operation. Simple. Okay, basic. As you can see. Okay, let's code. First, we will create an input. Okay, import numpy as np. Okay, sorry, np. Okay, and we will perform basic mathematic functions. Okay, first create array np dot array. This is a method. Okay, and store some numbers like this. Okay, random number, and it is contain one row and multiple columns and look like a one dimensional array. Okay, 1D array. Okay, and print, perform operations. So print array plus 5. Okay, and sorry, array, create full name. Okay, and done. First add 5. Okay, sorry, add 3, and 3 add each element. Okay, and 3 add each elements like this. And next, minus. Okay, array minus 2 and print and check, or sorry, and run and check. Okay, and check minus 0 1 and 3. Okay, and next print and done. Okay, this is basic simple functions. Okay, and done. Okay, first add number and 3 add each elements, not all. Okay, and when use list. Okay, so create loop, but array is automatically directly add 3 each element. Okay, and next, yes, next list with array. Okay, differences. List with array features Python list and array list. Okay, comparison check. First, speed. Python list slow for large number of data. It is a slow. Okay, for large number of data operations, but array is very fast for numerical operations, computing operations, etc. Okay, and second, memory uses. First, Python use loops, etc. So use memory more, okay, but it's use some codes, so use less memory, okay. And data types can store different data types. Yes, list store different data types, but it store same data types, okay. Fourth is mathematical operations. It is not Python list. It is not directly operation perform mathematics, okay, but it is supported directly element wise operations, okay. And next is performance. Slow, simple, but it is fast due to C level interplay implementation, sorry, okay. Next is dimension. It is store one dimensional only, okay, but it is support multi dimensional array, okay. Syntax simple but flexible. It is clear and optimized for mathematics operations, machine learning, etc, okay. And uses general purpose programming use this Python list, but scientific computing, data science, ML use NumPy array, okay. This is our some points to be compare, okay, array. And let's a practical, okay. Create list and array, okay. First import NumPy as np, okay, and create first a, okay, a np dot array, okay. Np dot array, first create array and second create list, and okay, and print and just print a plus 3, sorry 4, okay. And next, okay, b create contain list 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and print b plus 3, okay. And check first list not implement operations directly, okay, like this, create error, okay. So remove and like this. In the next video we will learn these topics, okay, like indexing, slicing, properties, etc, okay. And done.